Sam, you're up early.
I couldn't sleep. Last night I don't even know how to describe it.
The party?
I still can't believe what happened.
You really had no idea?
None. Zero. I walked in thinking it was just dinner.
Your face was priceless.
I keep saying I was surprised, but that doesn't feel like the right word.
It's not even close. When the lights came on and everyone jumped out, what did you actually feel?
My heart almost stopped. I was completely shocked.
Shocked, like your whole body didn't expect it.
Not even a little. And then I saw the cake with my name on it.
What happened?
I just froze. I was totally stunned. Like my brain just stopped.
You stood there for about 10 seconds without moving.
That long?
I counted.
And then when everyone started singing,
Did you cry?
no.
Sam, I saw your eyes.
Okay. Maybe a little. I felt so moved. Nobody has ever done anything like that for me.
I felt touched just watching you.
Touched is the right word. It's like your heart is full.
And when you tried to say thank you,
Nothing came out. I was completely speechless.
you tried 3 times.
Was it that obvious?
Everyone noticed. It was the best part.
The whole thing was just overwhelming. Happy, emotional, surprised, all at once.
Overwhelming in the best way.
And even now, sitting here, I'm still amazed it actually happened.
We spent 3 weeks planning it.
3 weeks?
3 very long weeks.
I can't believe nobody told me.
That was the hardest part.
Honestly, I'm still trying to process everything.
Really?
Yeah. First, I was shocked. Then I was stunned. Then I was so moved, I almost cried.
And after that,
Speechless, apparently.
apparently,
It was just overwhelming. I don't think I've ever felt that many emotions at the same time.
that's interesting.
Why?
Because at the beginning of this conversation, you said you didn't know how to describe last night.
I did say that.
But you've been describing it the whole time.
Huh.
You started with surprised.
And then?
Then you spent 10 minutes proving it wasn't the right word.
I guess surprised wasn't doing all the work.
One word rarely does.
I'll never forget last night.
Neither will I. Happy birthday, Sam.
You're the one who told everyone to jump out, aren't you?
Let's go have brunch.
Today, we discovered something powerful. When something catches you completely off guard, one word is never enough. Surprised becomes shocked when your whole body didn't expect it. It becomes stunned when you freeze and your brain just stops. It turns into feeling moved when something reaches deep into your heart. It leaves you speechless when you open your mouth and nothing comes out. It becomes overwhelming when many strong feelings come at the same time. And even days later, you're still amazed. These aren't just different words. Each word describes a different feeling in the same moment. It's not about vocabulary lists. It's about finding the words that match what you really feel. The next time something surprises you, don't stop at surprised. Tell people what actually happened inside you. Keep speaking from your heart. See you next time.